Let's give it up for Zach and Coach Gilbert.
Pwede po ba natin palakpan si Kuya Zach? Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. In that light, with a smile, you can win.